Still spending hours manually scanning temperatures? PQSense handheld monitoring system redefines inspections, instantly capturing temperature data with battery-free RFID sensors. Traditional inspections are slow, manual, and often miss hidden risks. But what if you could scan multiple hotspots at once? PQSense's uniqueness lies in its RFID sensors. Fully passive, wireless, and completely battery-free, designed for maintenance-free operations. Each sensor is installed directly on key hotspots, such as cooling fans and cable box. Just scan nearby sensors, all within range. With just one scan, multiple readings are captured and uploaded in real time. The system uploads data instantly to the cloud for real-time alerts and remote access. Abnormal temperature points are visualized clearly, no guesswork. Whether you're inspecting motors, industrial equipment, managing lithium battery storage, or even ambient temperature, PQSense makes it effortless. PQSense handheld monitoring system enables smarter inspections with instant wireless temperature readings. No battery, no hassle. PQSense. Small investment, huge protection. Contact us today to learn more.